Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage smart contracts with Ethereum. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To manage smart contracts with Ethereum, you first need to set up your environment. Begin by installing Node.js on your computer if you haven't already. Next, install the Truffle framework using the command line by running npm install gtruffle. Once Truffle is installed, create a new directory for your project and navigate to it. Inside the project directory, initialize a new Truffle project by running Truffle in it. This creates the necessary file structure for your smart contracts. Now, create a new smart contract file in the contracts folder. You can name it mycontract.sol to keep it simple. In this file, start by defining the Solidity version at the top. Then, declare your contract using the contract keyword followed by the contract name. Add your variables and functions within the contract. Once your contract is complete, save the file. Now, compile your smart contract by running truffle compile in the command line. This command checks your code for errors and compiles it into bytecode. Next, set up a development blockchain using Ganache. Download Ganache and run it to create a local Ethereum network. You will see example accounts with Ether for testing. Return to your terminal and configure Truffle to connect to Ganache. In the truffleconfig.js file, add a development network configuration. Specify the host, port, and network ID for Ganache. Now deploy your smart contract by creating a migration file in the migrations folder. The migration file should import your contract and deploy it using the deployer.deploy function. Run truffle migrate to deploy your contract to the local Ganache blockchain. You'll see the deployment success message along with the contract address. To interact with your smart contract, open the Truffle console by running Truffle console. This gives you an interactive JavaScript. Use the contract address to create an instance of your deployed contract. You can now call your contract functions using this instance. For example, if you have a function called setValue, you can call it with proper arguments. After executing your commands, you can check the updated state in Ganache. Remember to test thoroughly and check for any errors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.